Welcome to a new episode of Distro History, the series where we explore the evolution of the most influential Linux distributions. Today we dive into the history of Gentoo, the first Linux distribution to introduce the concept of rolling release, a system that revolutionized how users interact with software. The story of Gentoo begins in the early 2000s. The creator of Gentoo, Daniel Robbins, was a programmer with a clear vision. He wanted an operating system that was fully optimized and customized for each user's hardware. Robbins initially worked on a project called Enoch Linux, but by 2002, he decided to restart from scratch with a new approach, giving birth to Gentoo. Gentoo was designed with a radical concept in mind: the ability to compile all software directly from source code. This allowed users to optimize every package for their specific machine, fully utilizing the available hardware resources. For Robbins, simply installing a precompiled package wasn't enough. He wanted every user to have complete control, but what truly made Gentoo unique was its package management system, called Portage. Portage didn't just manage software installation and removal, it also allowed users to keep their system always up to date without needing to reinstall new versions. This was the beginning of the rolling release concept, where there are no fixed versions of the operating system. The system is continuously updated, ensuring users always have the latest software. The adoption of the rolling release model was a paradigm shift for its time. Up until then, most Linux distributions followed the traditional release cycle model, where users had to wait for new versions to update their systems. Gentoo, on the other hand, offered continuous, personalized updates, making it particularly popular among advanced users looking for flexibility and total control. But Gentoo wasn't just about updates. Its optimization system was revolutionary too. By compiling everything from source, users could set specific optimization flags tailored for their processor, improving system performance compared to precompiled packages. This made Gentoo ideal for power users, hackers, and system administrators who wanted maximum control over every aspect of their environment. However, this level of customization came at a price. Gentoo's installation and configuration process required significant time and effort. The manual installation, where users had to compile the kernel, configure the bootloader, and choose which packages to compile, was a feature that deterred many casual users, but it's also what attracted more experienced ones. A key moment in Gentoo's history was the decision to adopt the rolling release model, meaning there would be no major versions, but rather continuous updates to the system. This approach allowed Gentoo to stay cutting edge and always offer the latest software versions, setting it apart from other distributions. Gentoo wasn't just a distribution, it was a philosophy. With the motto, "If it moves, compile it," Gentoo focused on the idea that every part of the system could be optimized and personalized for the user. The US flags system, for instance, allowed users to choose exactly which features to enable or disable in every package. Over the years, Gentoo has continued to evolve, maintaining its community of dedicated users and keeping its role as a distribution for advanced users. While other distributions like Arch Linux have made the rolling release model more accessible, Gentoo remains a powerful choice for those who want to dive deep into the world of custom-built software. Today, Gentoo is still actively developed and maintains a loyal community. It's more than just a distribution, it's a way to learn how Linux works under the hood, offering users a unique experience of customization and optimization. So as we celebrate the birth of Gentoo, we remember its lasting impact as the first true rolling release Linux distribution, a project that forever changed the way we see updates and system customization. Thanks for watching.